Hi, it's Karen from Simply Said with Karen, and I'm here today with another video of tips and techniques. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the festive papers that are in the holiday catalog to make a nice little card and finish the inside as well as finish the envelope, and all you are left with is this small little square piece of paper. The Festive Prints comes in a package of 48 pages. There are 4 sheets of 12 different designs, and it's double-sided, just like our regular designer series paper. Now I found that this is just not for Christmas cards, but you can use this for other types of cards, birthday or thank you or thinking of you cards. So it's a nice little way to make a different card. So I'm going to show you how you can cut this so that you can virtually use every last little piece of paper. So I'm using today the die cut from the Ornament Keepsakes. I'm going to be using the Festive template to pinprick around the ornament. And lastly, I've used the petite pairs for the sentiment and in the inside of the card. So let's get started, and I'll show you how to put this together. I'm going to use the new cutter, and it's spectacular. This is a beautiful cutter, and this is a regular 4 1/4 by 5.5 inch card. So let's get started, and first of all I'll show you how to cut this sheet of paper. So because we want it a standard, we're going to just layer it, and we're going to cut it 4 inches. There, nice little cut, and we'll just keep that piece, and we're going to cut it here 5 1/4 inches. So here's our piece for the inside, here's our piece for the envelope, and here's our piece for the card. So I'm going to take and line up the die cut, because I want to focus the center of the die cut on the ornament, or on the focal point of the piece of paper, so that I can get it looking like it was meant to be there. So that looks pretty good. So I'm just going to lay my piece of cardstock, and this is Island Indigo, over that, and mark it just with a pencil on the top of the cardstock, so I can line it up when I cut it with a Big Shot. So that should do it. So I'm going to go over and use the Big Shot, and then I'll be back. So here I am with the cutout now, and the piece that we're going to be putting into the inside of our card. So I'm just going to take this now and center it, and it's looking pretty good. I got it pretty well centered. So I'm just going to glue that down using Tomboy. So there we have the design from the Festive pack laid out on our cardstock, and we'll take a piece of ribbon, or this is the crochet trim, and we'll just line it up along the bottom and use snail to attach, and then we'll just glue it onto our card front. There, it's attached to the card front. So then we'll just tie the little bow onto the strip of crochet trim and trim the ends. We're just about finished here. I'm going to use the Merry Christmas and early espresso. And just stamp it up on the top here. And we're going to put a pearl in the middle of the design. And another good tip is to use your paper piercer and just pick it up and lay it on, and that makes sure that the glue is still attached to your pearl. So then on the inside we're just going to attach that strip of paper left from the Festive prints. Attach the cutout from the ornament. Just get that grounded a bit on your inside. Then take the sentiment from the petite pears. So there's your card. The front and the inside. Take your envelope and attach the little strip. You'll have to cut off a little bit here. Paper snips. Just attach that down. Just get that lined up a little better. There. And here's your little piece left over. So there's your card. By the time you get the all the materials cut out, it takes about 10 minutes to make this card. So happy stamping, and we'll see you next week. Bye.